When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Step-by-step urine treatment. Using UV light, identify the urine contamination. Tools needed are UV light, Tarket Cyan 5, soft brush for agitation, hot water extractor, air mover. Apply Cyan 5 full strength to the contaminated area and agitate. Allow 10 to 15 minute dwell time. Do not allow to dry. Rinse using hot water extraction. Fully flush until no residue is present in the fiber. Take multiple vacuum-only passes for maximum moisture removal. Blot area to look for urine transfer to towel. Place air mover to speed drying process. Re-examine area with UV light to determine if all contamination has been removed. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarket is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.